This is a application that allows you to download maps of other countries or your countries, so you don't have to use online. If you don't have an internet connection, you'll be still able to navigate through the country freely. So you have Jamaica, for example, which is my country. You can select the choose another country or choose another map. You'll be able to see all the other countries map here, and you pretty much can just download them for later use. So these are pretty much just offline maps. So you have the Australia, you have other countries, pretty much almost all the countries in the world. So here you have other section. You have Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, Asia, Australia, Africa, pretty much everything be able to see. And you pretty much can go ahead and download the location or the map. So I'm going to pretty much download Jamaica here, and it will pretty much just ask me question, nothing much for that. And it will pretty much start downloading Jamaica. So this is pretty much your subscription. So your subscription offers different features, as you can see here. As it relates to your subscription, you have a monthly and a 6-month subscription, and pretty much what we're getting for your subscription. So that's really pretty much it, and you may need to sign in, so they keep that in mind. But once you have pretty much downloaded the map, you're pretty much good to go, and as well it will pretty much just redirect you to the location. So here be able to select the map, so you can tap on the option, the slide option at the top here, and you'll be able to go to your subscription page. You can view offline map. So the offline map section is pretty much where you want to go. Then you tap on the location that you have downloaded. As you can see here, this is pretty much the offline map. And as well, you can add other location if you don't have an internet connection as your offline map. So the most you're pretty much gonna do is to pretty much turn on your notification, not your notification, your location, and it will pretty much redirect you to Jamaica. And it will have Jamaica map downloaded for you, which you can pretty much use offline. I can't turn on my location because it's pretty much going to expose my location, so I won't be able to do that for you guys. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use it. And this option here allows you to zoom in, and here allows you to zoom out as well. So if I do long press it, allows me to continuously zoom in and zoom out. And as well, you do have this option over here, which allows you to adjust the map. You preview up the map. Here you have the modern option, the classic option, and the satellite option. Scans here will ask me to turn on my location for me to get the accurate as it relates to the satellite. And as well, if you do want the 2D or the 3D option, it's all based upon you. So as you can see here, the view of the pretty much the world. As you can see here, again, scroll back. It won't go that much. Similar to the classic option, it won't go back that much. So in the setting option here, you have different features which you can enable. You have the route planning and navigation option here. And this is pretty much important if you're traveling and using an application here to navigate through the traffic and so forth. You can enable certain features which it will avoid certain routes, which avoid highways, which avoid toll roads, and pretty much all of those. And it will give you a different, faster route as it relates to you not taking these paths. As well, you can tap on this option here, which says shortest route to the location to go in, fastest route to the location going, and the current route. This is pretty much just the normal route. So you have some other features which you can enable as well, which pretty much increase your experiences as it relates to the application here. And the smart cams are pretty much dash cams. Some of these here can record for you as well, but nothing much for that. Here you have the traffic option as well. Nothing much for that there. And yeah, they do offer a subscription, as I said before. You can get a 7-day subscription, free trial pretty much. Nothing much for that. As you can see here, their subscription prices and pretty much what they offer. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.